On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to find the saved videos on YouTube. So hello guys, first thing you wanna do, open YouTube app, and now or what you wanna do is just go down here. You will find this library option down here, as you can see. Click on it like this. After you click on the library, it will take you into this page. Or what you wanna do now is just go here into the watch later option. Click on it, and now you will find all the saved videos right here. Very easy and simple. And if you don't know how to save a video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Just go into any video on YouTube, for example this music, I like it. Swipe right here and you will find this save option. Click on it, and that's it. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.